Hi, this how to 1 minute gonna show you how to add hoverbox with different effects in Wix website. First of all, go to your Wix website editor and select the page in which page you want to add hoverbox. And then in this left hand menu, just click on add elements. And here, click on box. Under box, select hoverboxes. And under hover boxes here you will see bunch of different hover box. You can add any of them to your Wix website. Now I'm going to adding this hover box, for example. And that's it. As you can see, the hover box successfully added. Now we are going to edit this hover box. First of all, to edit or change elements for normal mode, select here regular. And now you can select this text and just click on edit text. And here you can write your own text. And to adjust this text, you can do it from here. And to replace this image, select the image and click on change image. And now you can upload your own image by clicking on this upload media option. Okay, now to customize the image for hover, select the image box and click on hover. And here you will be able to edit text and images for hover effect. And once you successfully edit it, go to regular again. And now click on hover interaction add date. Okay, now let's preview this hover box. And now let's hover this image box. And as you can see, when I hover this box, the image and the image text changed automatically. Now let's add another hover box on our Wix website. And the same way, I'm clicking on add elements and coming to box section, hover box. And now let's add this hover box, for example. And the same way, to change any elements from regular mode, select regular and select the image and click on change image to replace the image. And to change any text, select the text, click on edit, and you'll be able to edit the text. And to change this background color container box, just select container box and click on design. And now from here you'll be able to select a different color for the box and click on customize design to get more options to design or change background. And the same way, to edit any elements for hover, go to hover section and you will be able to edit your hover section. Select the button and click on design and click on customize design. And now from here you will be able to select any different button. And now let's preview our Wix website box. And here, as you can see, I've added 2 different hover boxes on my Wix website. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.